All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1049, Paul case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Mr. Paul, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, my daughter, who's living some type of life that I have no idea what it is, she drops her kids off every day and does what she wants to and doesn't leave any money for food or for any kind of things that the kids need. So I need some help financially because she doesn't give me anything. I mean, just me giving my money out of my pocket that I retired with. So I need some help, seriously.
Okay, and where did you retire from?
From the school district.
Okay, how long were you there?
20 years.
Okay, great. Thank you for your service.
Thank you.
And thank you for taking in your daughter's kids because they could be a number of places, but thankfully they're with a grandparent. Ma'am, what do you have to say for yourself? First off, let me ask this question. Is what he just said true?
I mean,
It's a yes or a no. Is what he just said true?
Yes, it's true.
Welcome to Village 01, where real families face real legal consequences. Today's case is especially compelling. A retired grandfather, already stretched financially, finds himself raising his grandchildren while his daughter is absent from their lives. But what happens when the judge digs deeper and uncovers a situation that challenges our assumptions? In this emotionally charged courtroom, we see a father reach his limit, a mother offer her perspective, and a judge determined to find clarity. Just when you think it couldn't get more surprising, wait until the court reviews her monthly income. The real turning point comes when child support is calculated, and the reaction says it all. So here's the big question. Is this a case of a young mom doing her best under pressure, or is it a reflection of deeper responsibility issues? Let's break it all down.
It's nothing wrong with me. It's just stuff I be needing to do, and I need somebody to watch the kids, so I take them over there.
Every day?
Yes, every day. I don't see the issue.
Excuse me. You all will not address each other. You will address me, okay? And I definitely understand Dad's frustration. And I'm going to ask you too, every day you have something to do that requires you to be away from your kids? How many kids are we talking? Two? You left 2 kids with him? What do you have to do, ma'am, that's so important every day that you cannot have your own kids?
I gotta make money, so.
Doing what? What do you do for a living?
Whatever I need to do, honestly.
Ma'am, what does that even mean?
I do, little dabble here, little dabble there, just different stuff.
You know what? You obviously came here to waste my time, and I am not about to play with you. What was the last legitimate job that you had?
I was a waitress.
Okay, where?
At a club.
Is that what you call it, waitressing?
Yes, it was waitressing. What else was I doing?
You don't want me.
Let's pause right here. She just confirmed that everything her father said was true. No argument, no pushback, just a quiet acknowledgement. And that changed everything in the room. But is it really acceptable to leave your children in someone else's care every single day with no support, as if it's business as usual? If you were the judge, how would you interpret this level of detachment?
I want you to tell me.
She was strolling the streets like a prostitute. I mean, it's like, because you never see her until she dropped the kids off and then I don't see her for 2 or 3 days.
That's what he heard. He don't know if that's true.
Yeah.
Who told him that? The streets?
I guess so. The streets had to tell him.
I hear the streets tell the truth, right?
Sometimes.
They talk, right?
The streets talk, but sometimes the streets be lying, and that's what they doing.
Well, I don't think they're lying on you now, ma'am. Every day your kids are with your dad? No, ma'am. When you were working at that club, how much money were you bringing home monthly?
Between $7,000 to $8,000 a month.
All right. Okay. And that's all tips?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So what I am going to do is base your child support on that $7,000 a month. So that would bring your yearly salary to $84,000 a year. Yeah, you can shake your head all you want to.
And this is where things shift from uncertain to deeply concerning. The father raises serious concerns about his daughter's activities. And her defense? She says he's just going by what he heard. She claims she was working at a club, as a waitress. But the judge presses further. Was it truly just waitressing? This moment underscores the importance of transparency and accountability in court. The real question is, should the children bear the consequences of unclear answers?
Ma'am, this is extremely disappointing that you leave your kids every day with your dad and you're not giving him any type of financial support. What are these kids on, they receive any type of government assistance or anything?
She gets food stamps every month.
Oh,
and I
no,
don't
ma'am.
see any.
You get food stamps? Where are the food stamps going?
In my house.
Who lives in your house besides you that need the food? Because your kid's over here with your dad. You don't give him any money from those food stamps?
No.
You know what? I'm not about to play with you. So this is what we're gonna do. Salary, $84,000 a year. That brings your gross to $7,000. Your net to $5,508.87. This will make your child support obligation $1,377. Now you said that you were receiving, don't look confused. I don't even want to hear it.
I can't pay that every month.
You were not making those faces when you were out in those streets.
But
so
don't come in here trying to make those faces. I am not trying to hear it. I've heard enough.
Your Honor.
And you are in the wrong. Yes, sir.
She has a man living with her too, so just in case you didn't know.
You don't need to tell her who in my house though, Daddy, like for real.
Okay.
I'm just telling the truth. It is what it is.
It sounds like Daddy telling the truth. Well, it sounds like he needs to tattletale on you. Somebody need to. You are ridiculous right now. Sir,
yes.
She receives food stamps, so I'm assuming there is some Medicaid or something these kids are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So what I'm going to do is do 9% of that $7,000 for your reimbursement to Medicaid. That comes out to $496. So $1,377 plus the $496 reimbursement to Medicaid, that make your total monthly child support obligation $1,873.
I don't even know men that pay that much money every month, so why I gotta pay?
And then it happens. The financial truth comes to light. With an income of $7,000 a month, the judge determines that $1,377 is the appropriate child support amount. The reaction? Absolute disbelief. But here's the point. If you're earning $84,000 a year, shouldn't some of that go toward the well-being of your own children? This isn't just a ruling. It's a reminder that parenting includes financial support.
Too many women that just take their kids and go drop them off at their parents' house, and they have a whole man staying in the house with them.
Mm-hmm.
It's my dad. Y'all act like I dropped them off with anybody.
These are your kids. Is there anything further, ma'am?
I don't know any men that pay that much, she says. But this isn't about comparisons. It's about accountability. Framing this as a gender issue distracts from the core concern: being present and supportive for your children. And let's not forget a key detail. A partner is living in her home while her father raises her kids. It raises tough questions about priorities and fairness.
No, I guess I need to go make some money in these streets for that.
Okay, well, you know what? That is your business. As long as these streets pay Pawpaw $1,873 a month in child support. Sir, is there anything further?
No, ma'am. Just happy Mother's Day to you.
Oh. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
And there it is, $1,873 in monthly child support. A firm decision from a judge and a grandfather who took on a role most wouldn't. This case wasn't just about money. It was about stepping up when it matters most. The legal system spoke clearly. But what do you think? Was this justice, or could it have gone another way? If this story made you think, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe to Village 01 for more real-life courtroom drama that digs deep. Until next time, stay sharp, stay informed, and keep seeking truth.